Good morning, students. Yesterday we talked about the Iraha becomes a flower gardeners, and we have discussed about Indonesia. I hope you have found the answers. Okay, and now let's talk about this chapter. We will read this chapter today. This is the story. We are going to read this story. This is the story that is about a young girl whose name is Ira. Read this story about how a young girl, Ira, followed her dream. Ira lives in Indonesia. So now what is here? This is the story that is about Ira and who lives in Indonesia. The meeting room was noisy. How was the room? The room was noisy, and several men had come from the city and were talking to the village headman of Chibru. So now what is here? Why there was noise in the room? Because there so many men had come from the city and they were talking to the headman of the Chibru. That is the place. Chibru is a town. That is the name of a town that is in West Java. They wanted to invest their money in flowers to be sold in Jakarta. There were farmers too from several villages who had to be given some guidance as they had no experience in growing flowers. So now what was there? As some investors has come there, they want to invest their money, they want to spend their money in the flower gardening, and and some farmers were there who want to work, and some guidance were given to the, as they don't know about how to do the gardening, okay, how to grow the flowers, so some guidance, some instructions were given to them. This was the first meeting between the investors and the farmers. For the first time that meeting was happened, है ना, कितनी बारी हुई सी बेटा? That was the first time. After the headman of the Chibru and the investors had spoken, those who were interested in growing flowers were requested to hand in their names to Mrs. Sari. So after the discussion, as they have completed their talkings, they finished their talking. Now what was there? Who were interested, who wanted to grow the flowers, they were requested to give their name to Mrs. Sari. The neighboring villages of Chehezo, which had the most suitable soil and climate for a flower plantation, was represented by a cheerful girl of 14 called Ira. Now there was a village, the name of that village, that was Chehezo, and that has a good quality of soil and the climate environment is the good, and the soil that is perfect for the flowers plantation. Okay, so that village was represented by a girl whose name was Ira, and what was her age? She was only 14 years. Okay, then Ira was the eldest of 4 children and the only daughter of her parents. She had always loved flowers, and as the daughter of a farmer, she knew a lot about growing plants. So she was in this, they just told about her family. Okay,